Are you looking for permanent oxygen-producing indoor plants, which improves air quality by releasing oxygen continuously, even at night? These low-maintenance plants enhance indoor environments, promote healthier living, and add a natural, calming aesthetic to any space. Let's quickly explore the best permanent oxygen-producing indoor plants. Snake plant or Sansevieria. Snake plant, known for its oxygen-producing ability, is a popular indoor plant that enhances air quality by releasing oxygen at night. It also removes harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, making it a natural air purifier. This low-maintenance plant thrives in various lighting conditions, from low light to bright indirect light, and requires infrequent watering due to its drought tolerance. Its upright, sword-like leaves add an aesthetic touch, making it a perfect blend of beauty and functionality for indoor spaces. Pothos or Epipremnum aureum, also known as devil's ivy, is a popular indoor plant known for producing oxygen and purifying the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Its trailing vines with heart-shaped, variegated leaves thrive in low to medium light and require minimal care, making it ideal for beginners. Pothos adapts well to various indoor conditions and only needs occasional watering. Its vibrant foliage adds a touch of greenery, making it both a decorative and functional addition to any space. Orchid. Orchids are elegant indoor plants known for producing oxygen and enhancing air quality. Unlike many plants, some orchids release oxygen at night through photosynthesis, making them ideal for bedrooms. They thrive in indirect light with well-draining orchid bark and minimal watering, requiring a balanced care routine. Orchids, particularly varieties like Phalaenopsis, are prized for their long-lasting, vibrant blooms that add beauty and sophistication to indoor spaces. They combine functionality and aesthetics, creating a calming and oxygen-rich environment. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lily is an excellent indoor plant known for its air-purifying qualities. It releases oxygen while removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air, improving indoor air quality. Peace lilies thrive in low to medium light and prefer moist soil, making them low maintenance. Their lush green leaves and elegant white flowers add beauty to any space. This hardy plant also increases humidity, reducing dryness indoors, making it a perfect addition for enhancing both health and aesthetics. Philodendron. The philodendron is a popular indoor plant celebrated for its ability to produce oxygen and purify the air. Known for its heart-shaped, lush green leaves, it absorbs harmful toxins like formaldehyde, improving indoor air quality. Philodendrons thrive in low to medium light and require minimal care, making them perfect for busy individuals. Their natural ability to release oxygen while enhancing humidity creates a healthier living environment. With their elegant appearance, they effortlessly add a touch of greenery and tranquility to any space. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum. Spider plant is a superb indoor plant known for producing oxygen and purifying the air. It effectively removes toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, making it ideal for improving indoor air quality. Spider plants thrive in indirect light and are low maintenance, requiring only occasional watering. Their cascading green leaves with white stripes add a fresh, decorative touch to any space. With their ability to enhance humidity and reduce airborne pollutants, they are perfect for creating a healthier indoor environment. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a remarkable indoor plant known for producing oxygen and purifying the air. Unlike most plants, it releases oxygen at night, making it ideal for bedrooms to enhance sleep quality. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering, suiting low-maintenance lifestyles. Its succulent leaves store moisture and can be used for skin soothing and healing purposes. This versatile plant not only improves air quality but also adds a touch of greenery and functionality to any indoor space. Gerbera daisy. Gerbera daisy is a vibrant indoor plant known for producing oxygen and improving air quality. It releases oxygen at night, making it ideal for bedrooms and promoting better sleep. With its bright, cheerful flowers, it adds beauty and charm to any space. Gerbera daisies thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and need well-draining soil. Though they require consistent care, their air-purifying properties and stunning appearance make them a popular choice for enhancing health and aesthetics indoors. ZZ plant or Zamioculcas zamifolia. It is an excellent indoor plant known for its ability to produce oxygen and purify the air continuously. Its waxy, glossy green leaves make it a visually appealing addition to any space. Highly tolerant of low light and infrequent watering, it's perfect for busy lifestyles. The ZZ plant efficiently removes toxins like xylene and toluene, improving indoor air quality. Its hardy nature and oxygen-producing capabilities make it a permanent and low-maintenance choice for a healthier home. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia. Dump cane is a striking indoor plant known for its large, variegated leaves and ability to improve air quality. While it primarily produces oxygen during the day, it also helps filter harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, promoting a healthier indoor environment. This low-maintenance plant thrives in indirect light and moderate humidity, making it suitable for various spaces. Its lush foliage adds a tropical touch to interiors, enhancing aesthetics while contributing to cleaner, fresher indoor air. Rubber plant or Ficus elastica. Rubber plant is a popular indoor plant known for its ability to purify air and produce oxygen. Its glossy, broad leaves enhance indoor aesthetics while efficiently removing toxins like formaldehyde. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light and require minimal care, making them ideal for busy households. They prefer well-drained soil and moderate watering, ensuring the soil dries slightly between waterings. With proper care, a rubber plant not only beautifies your space but also improves air quality naturally. Chinese evergreen or Aglaonema. It is a versatile and hardy indoor plant prized for its striking foliage and air-purifying qualities. It features lush, variegated leaves in shades of green, silver, and sometimes red or pink. Thriving in low to medium light, it's perfect for shaded spots indoors. This low-maintenance plant requires minimal watering, preferring slightly dry soil between waterings. Known for its adaptability, the Chinese evergreen adds elegance to any space while enhancing indoor air quality and creating a serene environment. Christmas cactus or Schlumberger. Christmas cactus are excellent indoor plants that can contribute to improved air quality by releasing oxygen at night, unlike most plants that do so during the day. This makes them ideal for bedrooms, promoting better sleep and refreshing the indoor environment. Their low-maintenance nature, vibrant winter blooms, and ability to thrive in indirect light make them a popular choice. Additionally, Christmas cacti help regulate humidity, enhancing overall indoor air quality and adding a touch of beauty during the festive season. Areca palm. The areca palm is an excellent indoor plant for boosting oxygen levels and improving air quality. Known for its lush, feathery fronds, it efficiently removes toxins like carbon dioxide and releases ample oxygen, making it ideal for homes and offices. This tropical beauty also acts as a natural humidifier, adding moisture to the air, which is beneficial during dry seasons. Easy to care for, the areca palm thrives in indirect light and adds a vibrant, refreshing touch to any indoor space. Weeping fig or Ficus benjamina. It is a popular indoor plant known for its graceful arching branches and glossy, oval leaves. It not only enhances indoor aesthetics but also helps purify the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it requires moderate watering, making it relatively low maintenance. The weeping fig is a long-living plant that can grow into a striking focal point indoors, contributing to better air quality and a tranquil atmosphere. Bamboo palm, Comedoria cephryzi. Bamboo palm is a versatile and attractive indoor plant known for its air-purifying qualities. Its slender, bamboo-like stems and feathery fronds add a tropical charm to interiors. This plant is highly effective in removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene while releasing oxygen, making it ideal for improving indoor air quality. Bamboo palms thrive in indirect light and require moderate watering, making them low maintenance. Their ability to increase humidity also makes them perfect for creating a healthier indoor environment. Choose oxygen-producing indoor plants to enhance air quality and your home's ambience. Select plants suited to your space, grow them with care, and enjoy cleaner air and a healthier environment.